Hello, Michigan Suit Guy here. I'm just enjoying a mug of coffee and wanted to take you along on an unboxing of some Allen Edmonds Jingle Bell Mok shoes. I placed this order on the 12th of November and it is now the 15th and I have it already. Great job, Allen Edmonds, getting it out ASAP. They do drop ship from several locations, so I'm waiting on one pair of socks that I also placed with the order. But all in all, 3 days to get the shoes to my doorstep is a great job, and I'm excited. Let's see what they got and how they package this. I did order several items, lots of shoe care product, polishes. Looks like everything is pretty well packed. We've got bubble wrap, heel dressing, and shoe polishes, saddle soap. Wax polish. I've got several pair of Allen Edmonds in addition to many other shoes, so I figured I'd invest in some nice product from Allen Edmonds to take care of them. Premium shoe polish, almost every color that they make. Cloth, no packaging there, but that really wasn't going to get damaged. A couple horsehair brushes. Some daubers to apply polish. Pink shoelaces for the navy shoes that I'm wearing today, just for a little variety. Packing slip with complete order and return instructions. Pretty straightforward stuff there. And now the main part of my purchase here. The Jingle Bell Mok limited edition shoe. I believe came out first in 2014, maybe 15. They reissued it this year and caught my eye, and you know, why not try something a little different? Great looking shoe. They've got candy cane shoelaces in there. Overall, packed really nicely. I mean, this is never been worn, coming from a store kind of shipping. I'll do more full review on the shoes, ideas to pair with it, things like that, in the next couple days, but I just wanted to show you what to expect if you order a pair of shoes from Allen Edmonds. I know green and red aren't the most versatile classic options, but it's a great shoe from all I've heard, and I'm looking forward to put it in the rotation. So thanks for joining.